We're now moving on to one of the more trickier questions in the IELTS reading test, and that is matching headings question. We're going to be looking at some tips and strategies to try and help you answer this as best you can. Let's have a look at the basic information for this question type. So once again, a lot of students find this particular question to be one of the most difficult question types in the IELTS reading test. And that's because they don't understand what the question is asking them to do. So in this lesson, I'm going to try and explain this question type in its simplest form and show you an easy example. Then we'll look at some strategies. In explaining it in its easiest to understand terms, this question is asking you to paraphrase the meaning of each paragraph. You'll need to say, with headings, what each paragraph is telling you. So you're going to have to get a quick understanding of each paragraph in the passage. Let's take a look at an example here. So I have two short paragraphs, and of course your reading passage will be much longer than this. I'll give you some time now to read through this, and then I'll show you two headings that I'd like you to try and match to the paragraphs. Take some time now and read through the passage. Now let's take a look at the headings. So A, the cosmic crash happened a very long time ago, and B, leading scientists witness collision in space. So where do you think these two headings go? Well, the cosmic crash happened a very long time ago matches with the second paragraph. It gives you a quick gist of what the paragraph is saying. B, leading scientists witness collision in space matches with the first paragraph. So again, these headings give you a shortened description of what each paragraph means, and that's what this question is asking you to do. Here is an example of this question type from an IELTS reading test. At the top we have the list of headings, and then underneath we have the sections. Of course, this is missing the passage. So let's take a look at some key tips for answering this question. Then we'll look at the exact strategy. Getting a quick understanding of each paragraph is key, and this is where skimming is a very important skill to you. Topic sentences are also really important. They'll be the first or second sentence in the paragraph. These will give you the overall meaning of the section of the passage. Your understanding of synonyms will be highly tested with this question type. So let's take a look at the strategy. First, read the instructions carefully and check the question type. Then, beginning with the headings, read and underline key words. Once you've done that, it's time to move over to the passage and skim and scan for understanding. There may be certain sentences that you want to read in a little bit more detail to get a better understanding of the passage, but don't read every single word carefully, as you're going to run out of time. So once you've skimmed and scanned through the passage and you feel like you have a pretty good understanding of each paragraph's meaning, then start underlining key words in the passage. Return to the headings and begin matching against each paragraph. As with some of the other question types, you can begin to eliminate certain answers, which will move you through answering this question. So here is the strategy for matching headings. Try and practice a few of these questions and I'm sure you're going to feel more confident. See you in the next lesson.